Dear students of class 2 from English version, look at your math book, page 13. তোমাদের গণিত বইয়ের 13 পেজটা খোলো, and you are ordered to solve this problem. Let's read and write in digits. পড়ি এবং ডিজিটে লিখি, সংখ্যায় লিখি, অঙ্কে লিখি, ঠিক আছে? পড়ি এবং অঙ্কে লিখি। ওকে, লেটস স্টার্ট। নাম্বার 1, 110. We have to write in digit 110, but to write 110, many of us do a mistake. They write like 110. Okay, it's wrong. So I suggest to write first. You have to write 10. Then read ones, tens, and at the place of 100 you have to look how many hundreds to write. 100, so you have to write 110. Okay, number 2, 359. First you should write 59. It is very easy to write double digit or two digits number. You have you will feel very easy to write 59 or double digit, any double digit, 59 or 1 to 99. You have to write 59 first, then look how many hundreds to write. 300s. Okay, 300. Number 3, 585. First you should write 85, then look how many hundreds to write. 500. It is the place of 100 because if you read ones, tens, hundreds, so how many hundreds? 500s. Okay, number 4, 672. First 72, how many hundred? Read ones, tens, and 100, 600s. Right here 6. Okay. Number 5, 850. First you have to write 50 at the last. 50. How many hundred? 800. It is the place of 100. Ones, tens, and 100. How many hundred? 8. Okay. Number 6, 980. First 80 and then 980. Okay, like this way you can solve this problem very easily and without doing any mistake. Allah Hafiz.